guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I really am glad that you're liking my recent videos. I'm really putting a lot of efforts on my video. I just wanted to make my recent content as much as useful and as much as relatable with you, my subscribers and my viewers who are kind of like my family. See from the title that I am going to make content which is going to help you a lot, because after making 2 videos on my fitness and stuff, I made on the weight loss journey, how I lost my weight, and also tips that can really start with your weight loss journey. I got some requests and comments that there are people doing all of those things but still they are not gaining those results, they are not getting those results, and I am here to tell you why are you not getting the result after even working out, after even having a proper diet. आप सब कुछ कर रहे हो, आप सब कुछ खा रहे हो अच्छे से, आप अपना workout भी कर रहे हो, but still you are not losing weight. And there's a reason behind that. I have segregated everything properly onto my list here to tell you guys. And yeah, I hope that this will be helpful for you. Before starting off this video, make sure that you subscribe. You can hit the bell icon. Also, can you follow me on my Instagram, which will be there on this screen, and my 2 other before fitness videos will be in the description, so you can check them out. If you have any question related to anything regarding fitness in this video, you can just put it in the comments or directly DM me on my Instagram. And I post every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, and some kind of bonus videos on Sunday, so definitely stick around. And yeah, let's get started with today's video. Okay, before also starting off, I really want to give this disclaimer out. मुझे ये चीज definitely बोलना है that I am not a professional nutritionist. I don't have any degree of like a dietitian, or I have not been a coach or something. But I have been in this I have lost a lot of my weight and I know a lot about it, and I've studied myself. So for any type of knowledge, to have any kind of any kind of knowledge about anything, you don't have to always have a degree, because a degree doesn't certify your knowledge and your intelligence. That is what I believe in, and that's the reason I just want to tell you that with my experience, that how I lost my weight and the pros and cons and everything, the science behind it, the study behind it, I research everything and then I make my videos. So for those people who are like, अरे ये तो यार nutrition है, इसका वीडियो क्यों देखेंगे? Obviously you will have this question. So I am just giving this. It's like मेरे ये खुद की personal experience से मैं आपको ये वीडियो बना रही हूँ, so that in some kind of way it will help you out, because all the time we can't afford a nutritionist or like a dietitian or any personal coach. We can't afford it, and अभी तो बिल्कुल नहीं. So I hope this kind of thing is clear with you. I really feel that it is very important. The reason behind why you are not losing weight is not having a proper plan. तो हम लोग वो weight loss journey we start, and then we don't have any proper plan कि what we want to do in the morning, what we want to do in the evening, and we don't have a proper plan regarding anything. I'm talking about the plan that you schedule. Whenever you have any target in your life, you should always have a plan, so that accordingly you will work for that and then you will get the result. हम अगर कुछ plan भी बनाएंगे, how can you expect and how can you even deserve a result? You always have to make a plan. See what things can make you really work out, what things can really make you eat healthy. So अच्छे से वो plan बनाओ and then work accordingly. You have to see what is there around you that can really push you to work out, what is there around you that will push you to actually gain what result you want in your life. That is very important. So obviously have a plan. Just don't have an idea of losing weight and just do it. You will never do it. कभी कभी हमें लगता है कि कल से हम वॉकिंग करने जाएंगे या कल से हम वर्कआउट चालू करेंगे, पर वो कभी होता नहीं है, because you don't have a solid plan, that you don't list it out. सबसे simplest and basic thing is to do is just write it down. Just write it down what you have to do, what you want to achieve. Like morning मुझे ये टाइम पे वॉकिंग करना है, ये टाइम पे मुझे I just want to walk all my steps. If you write it down, your mind will push you to do it. That is how it works. That is how the mind works. So definitely have a plan. Just note it out, and that will really help you out. Okay, now you will be like, first thing तो हमने करते हैं, और क्या है? Definitely you are doing any kind of crash diets. आप अच्छे से अपने diet नहीं follow करते, or you are just having like nothing. There are people when they start any type of weight loss journey, they will definitely have so bad diet, like they will eat nothing first of all, or they will put themselves in the starvation mode. I'm not talking about intermittent fasting, I'm talking about starving. They will starve themselves to death. They will not eat anything. They will just have this juice diet, this fruit diet. They will only have veggies, which is fine, but like most of this diet will not work, because when you think that suddenly when you plan to switch everything of your routine, your body is not ready for it. Even if your mind is ready, your body is not ready. So you have to think from your mind and from your body aspect as well. So when you want to the reason behind also sometimes not losing weight is not having a proper plan in regarding your diet, what to eat, how to eat, what time to eat. Kabhi you also shuffle with the timing. Sometimes if you're having, you should know that what timing you should have your dinner, what timing you should have your breakfast, what timing you should have your lunch. If you don't have a plan, that will really F your whole situation, because that is very important. मैं अपना dinner 8-9 के बीच में ही खा लेती हूँ, and that is something that I have talked to myself. कभी कभी there are parties, there are some situations where it doesn't happen. It is fine. It is just a normal thing. But most of the time, if you do it, it is going to help you to follow a routine. Okay, and it is just not about fitness. It is just not about losing weight. It is all about your overall health if you want to be fit and live a life. As I talked, हम कभी जब हम weight loss journey start करते, we deprive ourselves from eating a lot of things, and we don't eat what is essential. We have to have all kinds of protein, vitamins, nutrients, fats, everything in your diet. That will really overall help you in losing weight, also to gain muscles, and at the same time to to help you work with your mind. Like if you're not eating everything, some or the other thing will kind of make you really unhappy, and that will demotivate you to work out. That will demotivate you to just work for your own desired goal that you want to achieve. The third thing why you're not losing your weight is because having a lot of workout or completely not working out. It is something very important to know. When you're starting with any kind of weight loss journey, you have to start slow. कभी भी कुछ भी चीज doesn't come like this. You have to know that your body is something that is not used to a thing that a thing that you have just seen. अभी आपने workout करने को चालू किया, and then you just push yourself to do everything a day. You start with your muscle training, you start with your weight training, you start with your functional training. Everything have to have a time. When I used to work out in gym, I had all this day, and that is how even trainers tell you that one day you have to do your upper body, one day you have to do your lower body, one day there will be functional training, one day there will be cardio. That is how you actually set your routine according to your body. You can't do everything in a day. That will really intrigue your body and all the muscles of your body. So you should know that doing all the workout or doing a lot of workout is not going to help. Your body is going to feel very lethargic. It is going to feel very आप बहुत ज्यादा weak भी महसूस करोगे. So doing a lot of workout and doing no workout is also bad. That's the reason also maybe you're not losing your weight. Okay. Now the fourth thing is you will say that all these three things हम follow करते हैं, इसमें तो कुछ बड़ी बात नहीं है. Definitely चौथी चीज में आपको लगेगा that you are not losing your weight because you kind of have some kind of, maybe you will have some kind of disease. You have to check up with your, if बहुत टाइम से आप अच्छे से वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, you're having your diet but still you're not losing your weight. Maybe you have PCOD, maybe you have PCOS, or you have some kind of disease that is intruding with your weight loss journey or the path that you're following. You have to check that with your doctor, because PCOD में बहुत ज्यादा ऐसे situations होते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा ऐसी complications होते हैं that your weight will always keep on gaining. Even if you lose a lot, आप कुछ खा लोगे, your weight will gain a lot. So PCOD is a whole different chapter. You can watch a lot of videos on that. Just know about it. What is PCOD, PCOS? It's a women-based stuff. It's a disease that women has, but you have to know that sometimes because of that also weight loss journey में बहुत ज़्यादा problems, complications आते हैं. So that's the reason I'm just making this point. It is not with everyone, guys. Okay, so don't shoot me here. But I'm just telling you, because of PCOD, because of PCOS, or sometimes even diabetes, उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा body में you can't do everything. You have to tell your trainer, you have to tell your dietitian or your nutritionist that you have this disease, or they have to check that out, and they have to properly actually tell you what kind of workout and what kind of diet you should follow. That is very important. जब भी आपको कुछ diseases नहीं है, जब भी आपको कुछ issues नहीं, that is fine. You can figure out things by yourself. That is how I do, right? But if you know that you have some kind of issues, so you have to actually consult a doctor, of a kind of professional trained person that will really help you. Now the fifth thing is kind of, I think, very understood, but it is about having a lot of fast food and fried food, or basically any kind of outside food. Come on, let's be honest. Even if we are doing this weight loss journey thing, we know that we are being healthy, we don't eat outside, or kabhi kabar खा लेते. But kabhi kabar what happens is sometimes when you have your cheat days, उस पूरे cheat day में I've seen a lot of my friends doing this, like Monday to Saturday or Monday to Friday, they will have this good amount of food eating habits, and then Saturday Sunday they will binge on eating everything and anything. You know what happens? उस दिन में क्या होता है that you eat so much that your body is like F, just F. And that is when the problems and complications will come. When you're into this fitness, you should never have a cheat day. Cheat meal is absolutely fine. As I said, that I don't deprive myself for eating anything. I am not sugar free, I am not vegan, I am not dairy free, I eat everything, but I know what is going to be good for my overall health and my gut and my body. That is how I feed my body, because this is the temple that I'm living in and I have to take care of it, and that is how it will give me back. So if you're eating a lot of fried food, fast food, even when you're having a cheat day, it is not really actually recommended, because what happens is वो पूरे दिन में आप इतना खा लेते हो कि आपका पूरा वीक का जो एफर्ट है, पूरा वीक का जो आपने एक्चुअली एफर्ट्स डाले और एनी काइंड ऑफ वर्क दैट यू हैव पुट, इट्स गॉन वेस्ट. That is the thing, because when you are binging on a solid stuff that you have not eaten for a really long time, you will crave for eating it more, right? So you should know that how much you have to eat according to your body type. That is very important. तो एक ही टाइम पे सब कुछ मत लुटाओ अपने बॉडी में. मे बी समटाइम्स उसके लिए भी आप पूरे वीक में जो वजन घटा रहे हो और फिर सैटरडे संडे जो खा रहे हो उससे आपका बॉडी वेट उतना ही रह रहा है. That's the reason also you're not losing your weight. So it's very important. Okay, now my sixth tip, this is that you're not having a proper actually sleep. Sleep is very important when we are working out, when we are having a good amount of things that we do very productive. We are having a very productive day, even if it's this lockdown thing which is happening. We are very much stressed out. First of all, stress is also really putting that stuff in our body that is not good, and उससे पूरे hormones हमारे change हो गए and everything is changed. The routine तो change हुआ ही है, but overall our hormones, overall habits have changed to a very extent. So you should know that sleep is very important. इस time पे तो we all are sleeping, but overall 8 hours is very much it's like max, but 6 to 8 hours adequate sleep is very important to any other human body that we are in. It is very important because overall the day that we work in, it's just not about your body. Your body is not just not working, even your mind and even your whole stomach is working, your whole body. The simplest thing that you should know. But still, I'm just trying to say that when you're having when you are not having good amount of sleep, lots of stress also adds to not losing your weight. You should know that. And stress, आप मुझे बोलोगे यार हम तो सोच के नहीं स्ट्रेस ले रहे, वो तो खुद से आ रहा है. But you should know what is very important in your life, and that is how you can differentiate from stress. I have been through a lot in this lockdown, and I know what to choose for my health. If I choose to be unhappy, if I choose to stay sad, that will just let my own body be in that stage. I have to choose what I want to be in. That is very important. If you choose whatever you want, you will kind of overall gather it, right? So that is what you have to choose for yourself. If you choose to not have stress, but also work towards it, you will definitely work on to it. You don't have to think about stress all the time and think of what stress is coming to you. That is very important. I know it's kind of effing your mind right now, but मैं इतना ही बोल रही हूँ कि आप ज्यादा आपके sleep में ध्यान देना, and the timings. You can shuffle around the timings. Like if you're sleeping by 9 and now it's like you're sleeping by 12, 1, it's fine. But आप रोज का फिर 12 and 1 को ही सो जाओ. आप कभी 8 बजे सोगे, कब 9 बजे, sometimes even 12, but that will really actually hammer your sleep patterns. Unless and until if you have some kind of work issues or some kind of actual stuff to do, it's fine. But overall, if you are a normal person, make a routine. If you are like a parent watching, definitely make sure that आपके children are following this routine. Even children are doing this stuff where they sleep very late, and that is really hard. It feels very bad actually. Even if there is lockdown, even if there is no school, you should tell your children that this is the timing to sleep, and this is very important. That is overall your system is getting bad with that. So that is very important. Sleep on time, eat on time. That is really important. And then we have the 7th tip is all about focusing on just the goal and focusing just on the result. When you have this thing in your mind, I want this kind of body, I want to lose this amount of weight. What happens is आप अपने body को बहुत ज़्यादा you kind of trigger your body a lot. You're like you want this, and you also give your body like 2 months, 1 week, or like 10 days. It is very bad. What happens is you don't know how well your body will work according to their routines. आपको पता नहीं आपका body किस हिसाब से work करेगा. आपको पता नहीं what kind of diets will your body follow. वो जानने के लिए आपको 10 या 15 दिन लगते हैं. But what happens अगर आप अपने body को time slap देते हो that in 15-20 days I have to lose 14 to 20 kg. What happens is when you do that, you really first of all उससे stress तो बहुत होता है. Secondly, you have this thing that you have to do it, and your body is not kind of just getting together with you, because that is how your body is made. There are people who lose their weight in a week. There are people who takes more than 6-7 months. That is how their body is inbuilt. It is not anything regarding their system. उनका body का inbuilt ही वैसा है. I took around 6-7 months to lose 16 to 20 kgs because I took a good amount of time. I didn't wanted to lose weight to look good. I wanted to be fitter and healthier and really learn. आज I eat everything in my house. Not gonna deny. I eat everything. I eat even in the night that I used to not do. But at the same time, what I do, I don't even work out, guys, if you don't know. But I follow a thing of intermittent fasting that has really helped me, and that's the reason I saw that my body has come to a very good shape. I will do a video on intermittent fasting soon. I have really made the whole points and all. Just I didn't get time to make it, but I'll definitely make it in coming days. But that is what I'm saying, that don't really make your body, or your mind to follow a kind of a plan. It is fine with your career. It is fine with actually related to money or something, but आप जब result पे ध्यान देते हो, what happens is you don't enjoy the process, and that is very important. When you enjoy your process, result तो कभी ना कभी तो आने ही वाला है, but when you enjoy the process, that will really push you to work all the day. Result में पहुंचने के बाद क्या? You will lose a lot of weight, जबरदस्ती करके आपने lose कर दिया. After that what? You will gain it again by eating or doing nothing, right? If you do it slowly and in a very adequate way, you will know that it is something that you have to put it in your daily routine, and that will really help you out. That is the last and the final tip, that is 8th one, is to not compare yourself to others. It is very important, and this is not about just fitness and why you are not losing weight, but overall generally in life. When you start comparing yourself with any kind of models or any celebrities, even the people around you, your self is kind of demotivated by your own efforts that you're putting. आप रोज का अगर थोड़ा भी कुछ करते हो, you will feel like, oh my god, why am I not getting what I really want? Because you're comparing yourself to others. You're seeing someone else's success, but we never see what that person has gone through. Have you talked with your friends who are very successful, who are started with their own kind of stuff, and did you ask how did you start? How did you plan? What kind of complications, what kind of struggles are you going through? Have you asked those things? No, but we kind of just start getting jealous. Oh my god, that person is doing this, that I also want to do it, and then we kind of start copying, and that is how kind of demotivates your own mind and your body. You should know that your own journey is your footstep. आपके रास्ते पे आपके footsteps होने चाहिए, someone else के नहीं. That is how you will keep on walking. अगर उसमें दूसरे किसी के footstep रहेंगे, then your mind will definitely see those footsteps. So where is your own existence there? You should know that your footstep is your journey, and your journey is your path. That is very important. बहुत philosophy हो गई, but yeah, okay. So that is the last thing. Don't compare yourself to others in any regards. Fitness में तो बहुत important है, and yeah. That's it. I hope that this video was helpful to you. Definitely let me know in the comments what you feel like, and any kind of video suggestions, and yeah. These are some things that even I thought of, and I know that because of these things there will be a chances that you're not losing your weight, and you should also prefer these things following in your day-to-day life. That will really help you out. And yeah, subscribe if you have not, and yeah, we'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys. The last and the final tip, that is 8th one, is to not compare yourself to others. It is very important, and this is not about just fitness and why you're not losing weight, but overall generally in life. When you start comparing yourself with any kind of models or any celebrities, even the people around you, your self is kind of demotivated by your own efforts that you're putting. आप रोज का अगर थोड़ा भी कुछ करते हो, you will feel like, oh my god, why am I not getting what I really want? Because you're comparing yourself to others. You're seeing someone else's success, but we never see what that person has gone through. Have you talked with your friends who are very successful, who are started with their own kind of stuff, and did you ask how did you start? How did you plan? What kind of complications, what kind of struggles are you going through? Have you asked those things? No, but we kind of just start getting jealous. Oh my god, that person is doing this, that I also want to do it, and then we kind of start copying, and that is how kind of demotivates your own mind and your body. You should know that your own journey is your footstep. आपके रास्ते पे आपके footsteps होने चाहिए, someone else के नहीं. That is how you will keep on walking. अगर उसमें दूसरे किसी के footsteps रहेंगे, then your mind will definitely see those footsteps. So where is your own existence there? You should know that your footstep is your journey, and your journey is your path. That is very important. बहुत philosophy हो गई, but yeah, okay. So that is the last thing. Don't compare yourself to others in any regards. Fitness में तो बहुत important है, and yeah. That's it. I hope that this video was helpful to you. Definitely let me know in the comments what you feel like, and any kind of video suggestions, and yeah. These are some things that even I thought of, and I know that because of these things there will be a chances that you're not losing your weight, and you should also prefer these things following in your day-to-day life. That will really help you out. And yeah, subscribe if you have not, and yeah, we'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.